So I'm all dressed up today because I didn't even realise it, but my next door neighbours at the caravan park are like, oh, there's a car show at Great Western today. So I hooked up the van. The truck just got a new radiator put in it, and it just picked it up yesterday. So and it had the timing redone as well. So the mechanic was like, take it for a good drive and see how it feels. And I thought, well, I'll drive 10 minutes down the road and come to this car show. So I've just finished playing a couple hours of saxophone just for fun. Made a little bit of tips, so I might go and spend that and get myself a nice cold drink now, something to eat, and I'll show you around the car show, Great Western. And a sunliner. Oh, look at that cool truck. Oh, look. That's cool. Love this truck. Beautiful.
Well, it's only got a phone number, which is 0417 395. It's me. I put you in the room. We need the number just to make sure the pocket goes off. Thank you very much, and thank you for supporting the Great Western.
Lots of cars. Very cool. They're like on both sides of the road. Look at this. Up the middle. So cool. It's been a while since we've been to a car show. Love it. Absolutely cool. And this is only about less than 15 minutes drive down from the road from where I was camping. And I was going to move sites today from one camping spot to another because I was parked under trees that were putting sap all over. Oh, look at the mini moke. Oh, so cute, so cute. I was going to move anyway today, so I had to hook up and move my camp. And then my next door neighbours told me about this car show. I was like, oh, great. We'll just may as well hook up the whole van, take the whole setup with me, and then roll back in this afternoon into my new spot out from under sappy trees. Oh, look at this gorgeous thing. Oh, woohoo. Beautiful. Oh, there's all sorts. There's some vintage cars. They got good spots in the shade. Nice. Oh, very cool. I know it's hot, sweetie. It's hot for Pixie on the ground. Oh, is that a Valiant up there? Oh, look at this. EJ Holden. Oh, love him. Love him. And I think this is a Valiant. Yes, it is. I love it. I love Valiants. Look at that. Gorgeous. Aussie classics. A couple of panel vans.
He's now going to move his Tesla from the mobile phone. He's sitting there underneath his
Very cool.
Underneath the veranda.
These roads. There we go. And we're going to go sit in the shade for a bit.
Lots of the kids enjoyed.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. After I made my quick last video, and then I walked around and looked at all the other cars and the trucks and the motorbikes and hot rods and everything. And then they had the awards presentation ceremony, and I got a trophy. I actually won third best restored vehicle for my caravan, which I'm so super happy about, like blown away. And to me, this trophy is more about the fact that I made the effort to step out, put some makeup on, get dressed up in my pretty dress, and just drive out there and put myself out there again, you know, when I've been hiding so much from the world. And it was a bit of bravery on my part, I guess, to do that and to be rewarded for that. What a buzz. Like, absolutely, yeah, I'm going to treasure this one. Like, yeah, you know, you always say trophies don't matter, but until you win one. And it's like, I'm so happy. Anyway, I'm back at the caravan park now. I've pulled into my new spot and got the air conditioning cranking because it was a hot day today. So Pixie and I just chilling out in here for a little bit. And I also got, that's another thing, I was like, I went to the pub to get a drink because I felt like I should get something to celebrate my little achievement, and I don't often drink, but it was like, I need a drink right now. And they actually gave me a pink vodka cruiser, and I went to pay for it, and she goes, no, that can be part of your prize. So I think I've earned this one, and I will be very much enjoying that pretty much soon, very soon, when I'm chilled out. I've got everything's all back the way it is. It's sort of pretty when it's all like, I've got all the curtains open and everything, and I had it while we were on display and people were coming and having a look at the caravan, and I always like to open it all up and opened up all the windows and everything, and pretty much it looks exactly the way it looks all the time, like nothing's any different. This is how it is when I'm living in it, so to put it on display really was no effort whatsoever for me. Just roll in there and open the door and open the windows and curtains, and yeah, cheers to me. So happy, like really, it made my day, absolutely made my day. It was all worthwhile. And good news is actually the mechanic turned up as well, and he asked me how the truck is running with its new radiator, and it's had the timing redone as well, so it's got a lot more power than it had, and it's running really, really well. So I was really, really happy about that. So yeah, lots to celebrate for a change. No misery talk today. I'm just a happy camper. Catch you later.